Last week, a 67-year-old man walked into my office with tears of joy. He discovered a simple technique that brought back what he thought was gone forever, and it only took him 60 seconds a day. I'm Dr. Olivia Brooks, and what I'm about to show you isn't some miracle cure or expensive treatment. It's something men have been doing for thousands of years, but somehow we forgot about it. This one spot on your body holds the key to better blood flow, more energy, and the vitality you've been missing. Here's what really happens in your body after 50. Picture your blood vessels like garden hoses. When they're new, water flows freely, but over time, they get stiff and narrow. Blood doesn't flow where it needs to go. The muscles down there get weak and tight at the same time. It's like trying to use a rubber band that's been in a drawer for years. No snap left. Now imagine if you could wake up these sleeping muscles and open those narrowed vessels. That's exactly what this simple massage does. And you can do it at home in private without anyone knowing. The spot I'm talking about sits between your scrotum and back passage. In ancient Chinese medicine, they called it the million-all point because it was considered that valuable for men's health. Today we call it the perineum. This small area controls more of your male health than you might imagine. Think of this spot as the control center for everything that matters down there. Major blood vessels pass through here. Important nerves connect here. Your prostate sits right above this area. When you massage this spot, you wake up all these systems at once. It's like flipping a master switch. Finding the spot is easier than tying your shoes. Sit down or lie back with your knees bent. Use 2 fingers to press gently in the middle area between your scrotum and back passage. You'll feel a slightly soft spot like pressing into a ripe peach. If it feels a bit tender, perfect. That means you found it. Press with the same pressure you'd use to test if a tomato is ripe. Make small circles for 30 seconds one way, then 30 seconds the other way. That's it. 1 minute total. Some prefer pressing and releasing, holding for 5 seconds, then letting go. Others like a gentle up and down motion. Try each way and see what feels right. The first time might feel strange. That's normal. You're waking up an area that's been ignored for years. Using the right oil makes this work even better. Castor oil is my #1 choice. This thick oil goes deep into your tissues, bringing blood flow with it. Warm a teaspoon in your hands first. When you massage with warm castor oil, you'll feel a gentle heat. That's your blood moving again. Coconut oil works great too, especially if your skin is sensitive. It absorbs quickly and has natural compounds that support male hormones. For something special, try black seed oil. Men in the Middle East have used it for centuries to maintain their vitality. It's harder to find, but many patients say it's worth every penny. When you press and release, you're pumping fresh blood into areas that haven't had good flow in years. It's like watering a plant that's been dry. The nerves that got compressed from years of sitting get freed up. Signals that were blocked start getting through again. Your prostate gets better blood flow without any invasive procedures. The muscles in your pelvic floor finally relax and strengthen at the same time. These muscles control everything from holding your urine to maintaining vitality. You might notice you don't have to get up as much at night. That annoying dribble after you pee might stop. Even your lower back might feel better. The best time is morning or evening. Morning takes advantage of your body's natural rhythms when hormones are highest. Evening helps you relax and can improve what happens during the night. If romance is on the schedule, try doing this massage 2 to 3 hours before. Start with every other day for the first week. After that, once a day is perfect. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't brush once a week for an hour. You brush for 2 minutes every day. Same idea here. The biggest mistake is pressing too hard. This isn't a deep sports massage. If you're sore the next day, you went too hard. Another mistake is giving up too soon. Give it 2 weeks of daily practice. Most men notice changes by then. Using random lotion is another problem. Stick to natural oils that your skin can absorb, and do this skin to skin, not through clothing. My patient Robert, age 72, told me this technique gave him back 10 years. The first week, nothing much happened. The second week, he noticed more energy. By week 3, his wife asked what had changed because he seemed like his younger self again. Another patient, James, age 64, said his chronic hip pain disappeared after doing this massage for a month. His physical therapist couldn't believe it. The benefits go beyond just vitality. Men report sleeping better, having more energy during the day, feeling more confident, and even thinking more clearly. There's something powerful about taking control of your health in such a simple way. Build it into your routine. Do it right after your morning shower or before bed. Keep your oil where you'll see it every day. Track how you feel in a notebook. Rate your energy from 1 to 10. After a month, look back and see your progress. Remember, this isn't about perfection. If you miss a day, just start again tomorrow. Even 3 or 4 times a week helps. Gentlemen, you have a choice. You can accept decline and rely on pills that might not work and have side effects, or you can invest 1 minute a day in a technique that's been proven for centuries. The men who try this for 30 days consistently tell me they wish they'd known about it sooner. They feel more like themselves again. Their partners notice the difference. Your best years don't have to be behind you. With this simple massage, you can maintain and even improve your vitality well into your golden years. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and capable at any age. Take action today. Try this tonight or tomorrow morning. Give it an honest 30 hours